proportion everyone knows. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, then A divided by B is equal to C divided by D. Then cross multiplication we get product of extreme and product of means. So in continuous proportion, if A comma B, B comma C are three quantities of the same kind, if A divided by B is equal to B divided by C, then B square is equal to AC. It's called as a continuous proportion. Okay, we learn this all these direct proportion and inverse proportion. In direct proportion, when two variables are related, that an increase or reduction in one causes an increase or reduction in other in the same ratio of proportion is called as a direct proportion. That means simply, if one variable value increases, then must be second variable increases, or if one variable value is decreases, then second variable must be decreases. Okay, it's called as a direct proportion. Next one, inverse proportion, when two variables are related, an increase or reduction in one causes reduction or increase in the same in the other proportion is called as an inverse proportion. There is a simply, if one variable increase, then other variable is decreased, or one variable is decreased, then other variable is increased. It's called as an inverse proportion. So we take this example of the proportion. Next one, variation. If two variables x and y are in direct proportion, we say it as x is directly proportional.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Sorry, x. Okay. If two variables x and y in direct proportion, then we write it as x is proportional to y. Okay. So x is equal to k into y, and k is called as a constant of proportionality. So next type is inverse variation. If x and y are two variables such that x varies directly 1 upon y, that means x is inversely proportional to y, then there is a x is equal to k divided by y. This one is a variation. So here there is an example. If a is proportional to y, a is proportional to y, sorry, a is proportional to b, and a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 6, then find the value of a when b is equal to 27. So to finding this value, here here given is a proportional to b, so implies that a is equal to k into b. Okay, this is an definition of variation we already learned. Here x is proportional to y, then what you will write, x is equal to ky. Same thing, a is proportional to b, so a is equal to k into b. So how to find this constant here? Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6, and k. So k value is k is equal to 4 divided by 6, it will we get 2 by 3. Correct. So, and here our task is find the value of a when b is 27. So, here what you write, a is equal to kb. Correct. So, value कशाची काढायची a ची. So, a is equal to k काय isn't 2 by 3. 2 by 3. I will put here value 2 by 3 into b is 27. So value will be 3 into 9 is a 27. 9 into 2 is an 18. So a is equal to 18. This will be the value of a. Okay. Everyone got this? Next one, joint variation. A variable x is said to be vary jointly with respect to variables y and z if it varies as their product. That means x is proportional to yz, x is equal to k into y into z. Okay, so it's called as an joint variation. Also joint variation inverse मध्ये सुद्धा घेता येतं आपल्याला. A variable x is said to be vary directly as in y and inversely as a z, then it varies y upon z. Okay, so x is proportional to y upon z and x is equal to k into y upon z. Depending on this, there is another example. Here x varies directly as a y and inversely as a z. That means depending on this, आपण काय घेऊ शकतो? Like that, x directly varies as a y, correct, and x inversely as a z, x inversely 1 upon z. आणि कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये आपण हे कसं लिहू शकतो? x varies y upon z, correct. That means x is equal to kyz, x is equal to k into y upon z. So here and x is equal to 12, y is equal to 9, z is equal to 16. Find y when x is equal to 9 and z is equal to 14. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला x, y, z फर्स्ट कंडिशन मध्ये व्हॅल्यूज दिलेल्या आहेत. आपल्याला कोणती व्हॅल्यू करायची? फक्त k ची. सो x is equal to 12 is equal to k. y ची व्हॅल्यू काय? 9. ओके, and z is 16. So here value of k is equal to, it become k is equal to 12 into 16 divided by 9, correct. So it become 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 4 is 12. 16 into 4 is then 64 divided by 3. This one is the value of k. Next one, find the value of y. So here just put the x is equal to ky into z. So implies that x is equal to काय दिला? 9. K already we know, 64 divided by 3, and find the value of y, and z is equal to 24. So what it becomes? Solve this and tell me the answer. So y is equal to 9 into 24 into 3 divided by 64. Solve this. Do the calculation and tell me the answer. So it becomes 8 into 3 is in 24 and 8 into 8 is in 64. So here 3 into 3 is a 9, 9 into 9, 81. and divided by 8. Value of y is 81 divided by 8. Okay. Is everyone got this? Yes or no? If yes, then write down in chat box. Are you getting this example? If you get this, then write down in the chat box. Okay. Just tell me. There will be a lecture at 2:30 of yours. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We will continue up to the 2:30. So next one is in percentage. Everyone knows what is meant by percentage, correct? Next topic is percentage. Percentage. So there is some rules. A percentage is a ratio. It has no units. Percentage is a ratio. It has no unit. It has no unit. Okay. Second one, how to find x% y. X% of y. It's very simple. X% of y. Y is equal to y into x divided by 100. Okay, percent that means divided by 100. Also, if we want to find fraction percentage, just multiply by 100. So I want 3 by 4%. So 3 by 4%. How it will be get? Is equal to 3 by 4 into 100. So 25 into 3 is an 75%. Okay, this one is in some percentage related notes. Okay, next one we take the example. Example is example. The population of a city. The population of city according to 1971 census was 84,500. 84,500 and it raised to and it rose to 1,11,200. Find the percentage increase in the population. Find the percentage increase in population. Okay, for this, first find how much population increases from 1971 to another year. So, how to find this population increase? Increase in population, increase in population. We get is equal to 1,11,200 minus 84,500. Okay, so answer will be 84,515. So 26,700. Okay, increase. So this growth of this population with respect to this original population 84,500. Okay, so how to find percentage? This growth is with respect to original population original population 84,500. So on 84,500 increase is 26,000. Correct? On 84,500 increase uh, is 26,700. But we will take on 100 population the increase. That means find this value. How to find 80 sorry 100 divided by 84,500 into 26,700. This one. Tell me equal to how much it will be. Do the calculation and tell me the answer. Yes, anyone? Answer is 31.6. So the percentages increase in population over the decade is 31.6. Is everyone got this? Okay, there is a 227. So leave the meeting and join the next lecture.
सांगून काढ ना. स्नॅप काढ. व्हिडिओ चालू कर सौर्या बसल्यावर. लेक्चर चालू आहे, व्हिडिओ चालू केला, माईक चालू केलंय. सौर्याला बंद मी दिसतोय. मला कोण ओळखतो? हात दाबी.